What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Wave with the playbook. Hoping to have a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. Bitcoin, Ethereum, a Solana update. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly crypto and altcoin analysis, but we also post crypto weekly stock analysis and plays, day trading tips videos, as well as we live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. So this isn't your typical investment channel. We teach you not only how to make passive income, but as well as active income on these charts, showing you how to make money on the front end as well as the back end when it comes to investing and when it comes to these charts, y'all. You already know, first things first. I got to give a special shout out to members and students. We absolutely smacked last week with 4-0 on the charts last week. Caught this beautiful GBP New Zealand setup, nice 1-to-3 risk reward ratio setup. We also caught this nice GJ setup, this other GJ setup. And of course, not only did I take this trade, but we broke this down during the London session lives, as well as I sent the signals out to the members and students in the advanced play signal room. You see the date here, February 13th. All TPs got hit on GN, right? Then you see here the 10th, all TPs got hit. Right, so we really do this over here. We really do this over here, y'all. So you're interested in a signal service and mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. Again, you see this was the 12th on GBJPY. You see this was the 10th on GBJPY. Then you see this was the 12th on that GP New Zealand setup. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. We're going to be talking about specific price points to pay attention to, the DCA in and DCA out at, as well as the projection we see price doing and going this week and ultimately this month. Now, Bitcoin, again, I'm going to tell y'all about this as often as possible. Almost got tongue tied. You want to purchase things when they're on sale. It's just like when you're in a store shopping. When you see something red, you don't run away and be like, oh my God, this is on sale. Oh my God, 15% off. Oh my goodness, I can't buy this. I need it to be 20% up, not 15% off. No, but for some reason, when it comes to investing, y'all get so scared and unattracted to and turn off to charts and things when they're red, but when they're green, that's when you want to buy and purchase. That's not how things work. That's not how you're going to make money. So again, always understand red. You should be excited on red days. That's the easiest days and easiest times to make money and to make bread. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and hop onto Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, again, we are bullish, clear uptrend, had this beautiful higher high made, right? But as we can see here, literally since November, we've been chilling and struggling to not only break 100,000, 98,000, but hold 98,000, 100K as support. And we can see that when we go down onto these smaller time frames, right? So again, we can see here on the weekly, price has been consolidating and ranging literally since the 18th of November, just chilling here, right? So again, with this consolidation, we're going to see one of two things. We're either going to see a reversal / retest, retracement, or we're going to see price breakout and explode. So again, I've been preparing y'all for possible retracements. Now again, it's been clearly, as we can see here, chilling at 98K, 100K, but we can also see that each time it has indeed in fact broken 98K on the retracement and retest, it has failed, except it has failed except for this time to hold that support. All these other times it's been either ranging or failing to hold that support. So if price fails to hold 98,000 as support, do not be too shocked or surprised if it retraces back down to 88,000. Okay, so make sure to keep that price point in mind as well. Now, if it can hold 98,000, 100K as support, we can see our way going back up to 110,000, 108,000, but it's going to need to hold that level as support for the uptrend to continue and for us to see 115, ultimate 120K get hit. Now, again, we do still have this big push to the upside that has not been retested yet, so do not be too shocked or surprised if price decides to retest 80K or even 72,000. Now, let's go into Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is not looking as bullish as Bitcoin, but one thing we can see and acknowledge is that it did retest and respect 22.25, 22.30 as support, right? But just like with Bitcoin, for the past few weeks, it's been consolidating, ranging at 26,000, 2605 price range. So if we can maintain a whole 2605 as support, we can see price pushing back up to 30,000. I'm not 30,000, 3,000. 315, and if we hold 3015 as support, we can see price make its way back up to 3730. But it does have a little bit of work to do. Again, we are kind of consolidating and ranging, but we do have some work to do. So we definitely need to see 3,029.80 held and respected as support before we can see anything take place and go off. Now, if on the offside and off chance it rejects 2215 as support, it starts treating that as resistance, we can see a possible reversal going down to 1690 or even 1700. All right, y'all. And then last but not least, that leaves us with Solana. Now, Solana did a retracement as well, but again, remember, retracement means sales. Sales means you can make money. So looking at Solana, it ended up failing to hold 215, 212 as support like we talked about in previous videos. So when we go to a smaller time frame, we can see price did indeed in fact fail to hold that low as support. So we're right back at 160. So this is a good place to DCA at as well. If we can maintain and respect and hold 160 as support, we can see price make its way back up to 215. Now it's going to need to hold 215 as support for us to even see 260, 265 get hit again. Now, if it fails to hold 160, 158 as support, do not be too shocked or surprised if it decides to retrace back down to 125. All right, y'all. That's all I got for y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join free Signal and free Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my Signal service or my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this Signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also, make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.